SAT math people. Today we're going to work on factoring. Okay, let's do some math. In how many different points does the graph of the function f of x equals x cubed minus 2x squared plus x minus 2 intersect the x-axis? So I've drawn three pictures of an x cubed function or a function of degree 3. So there's three possibilities. It can cross the axis. It's really, they want to know where does it intersect the x-axis. So that means where y is equal to 0. So it can look like the yellow. It can cross 3 times. It can look like the orange or red. It can cross 2 times where it actually crosses the first time and then the second time it just touches the x-axis. Or in the blue, it can just touch 1 time. You can see that picture. All right, so let's do some math here. Let's set the function equal to 0 because we want y to equal 0. And so we have x cubed minus 2x squared plus x minus 2 equal to 0. And we're going to factor this by grouping. So we're going to group x cubed minus 2x squared, and we're going to group x minus 2, and you'll see y in a second, equals 0. And we can factor out x minus 2. Yes, we can factor out an x squared from the first two terms. Sorry, I'm getting ahead of myself. So we can factor out an x squared from the first two terms, and we're left with x minus 2. And then we can just factor out a 1 from the second term, and we're left with x minus 2 equal to 0. And now we see x minus 2 can be factored out of both terms, and we're left with x squared from the first term and plus 1 from the second term, set that equal to 0. And then we're going to set each term equal to 0. So x minus 2 equals 0. The solution there, you just add 2 to both sides and you get x equals 2. So we know it's not 0. We know it's at least 1. And then we set x squared plus 1 equal to 0. And if you subtract 1 from both sides, you don't get a real solution. You get x squared equal to negative 1. And the only solution is I, which is an imaginary number, so it's not a real solution. So the answer is B.